Hey, that was a quick top of the morning brush through my hair. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is fresh out from our Flair called Design MOJO AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. And so this is a software that will create graphics for you doing all the work, with the computer with the artificial intelligence doing all the work. So you tell it what to do and it creates it for you. Do you think there could be some money in this? Yeah, there's lots of money on Fiverr, on Upwork, people looking for graphics and logos and designs and everything like that. So this is my site at marketingsharks.com. I usually do these reviews where I show you the website you're going to end up at the end. We won't do that right now. We'll just show you mine. This is the link in the video description. It'll take you right here. And this is from Art Flair, fresh out this morning. I'm just going to give you an idea of what's on the page, not to scare you, just to show you what pretty pictures, bit of a description of it. There's the demo video, and away you go, showing you how easy it is to put these together. It's $17 for the front end offer. If you scroll to the bottom, well, I'll scroll to the bottom. There's a $4 discount coupon code. So when you come across, make sure to scroll to the bottom of the blog post. So there's the front end, all the information. There's some upgrades for unlimited things, done for you, ready to sell websites. You can see here automation, reseller, those kind of things. There's a $4 off discount code. And then you come down here, there's some related stuff, who cares? And you click the product box. When you click that product box, it's amazing. You're going to end up at Art site. So here you go. We're going to scroll down a little bit, give you an idea of what we're up to. All the same kind of great stuff you saw before. And you can see how easy this is. Select a template, edit it, download. You're ready to go. And you're able to sell graphics, logos. There you go. It's a huge industry. Check this out. I'm going to stop right there. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You click the product box. You're right here. And you can grab a copy of Design MOJO AI for, was it $17 minus a $4, $13. $13 on the fresh, what do you call that, early bird kind of sale right now. So depending on when you're watching this video, check the coupon code out, grab the coupon code at the bottom of the blog post, and then click the product box and go grab a copy of Design MOJO AI. Pretty cool to have it all set up, everything done for you, everything put in a box to create graphics like that. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.